Language learning made easy. Hello, lovely students, and welcome to English for Beginners. I have a very special lesson for you today. That's going to help you practice your speaking and listening skills in English through many different activities. Some of them might include new vocabulary for you. Don't worry, I'll provide a full list at the end of the video. Okay, let's practice together now. For class details.
Unit 25. The lesson.
There was once a man who lived with his 2 sons. The 2 sons were always fighting with each other. One day, the man decided to teach his sons a lesson. The man gave his younger son 2 large sticks. He told the boy to break them. The boy tried hard, but he could not break the sticks. The older son also could not break the sticks. At last, the man gave only 1 stick to each son. He said, "Break them." Each son broke his stick easily. The man said, "You are like these sticks. If you work together, no one can break you. But if you fight with each other all the time, one day someone will break both of you." After that lesson, the sons stopped fighting. They started to work together.
Vocabulary. Son. Fight. Decide. Lesson. Stick. Break. Try. Start. Thank you and goodbye.